Ballard Habits here. First fish of the year. Looking like a channel cat. Oh yeah. Let's get him up here. Oh. Yeah. Let's get this guy caught and released. Oh yeah. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, I don't know, pounder. Little channel cat. Nothing crazy back out there. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening. I've already caught one channel cat, probably a pounder, 2 pound. I got my pole right here. Throwing a Medusa out. I got 3 worms on the hook. Right here in this deep channel, so hopefully we can get one. So let's get it. Get a bite. Got him. There we go. Got him. Got him. Feeling like a... Oh yeah, we got him. Not very big one. Nah, a little channel cat. Oh, he's got a little fight. Oh! He's got a little fight. Oh, I don't got the gap on me. But he ain't. Woo! Another channel cat. Another channel cat here, guys. Out here on the Des Moines River. Hitting a pre-spawn bite. Nothing crazy big.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy big, nothing crazy.
Oh, there's a ditty right here.
Is there really? Pretty good eating size, but gonna throw them back. But nice fillets on them, but what's it all about? Multi-tool or something?
Something, yeah.
And that's what he did it with? Getting a bite. Oh, this little bait stealer. Got a little tiny cat.
No, I mean, that's pretty cool. You know, the will to survive is pretty strong and everything that goes on.
Right.
I think, you know, we've never really been put in that situation where, and I don't want to be either.
No.
Will and I were watching some of those a few weeks back on Saturday night or whatever on YouTube, but it was on Amazon Prime or whatever, but it was the, you know, the series I Shouldn't Be Alive.
Yep.
There's that one fucking South African English dude on that big game reserve down there, and that little ultralight that crashes that motherfucker, and he was 10 miles off course of where he was supposed to be when he crashed it,
Oh, yeah.
and his radio was fucked.
I've already lost one fish. Not as big as fish as I thought. He's about to come up. Carp? I don't got the gap. I don't got the gap on me. Oh! You see him?
Oh.
Nothing too crazy. Oh yeah. Nothing too crazy. Get him up on the bank here. About the size of the past 4 or 5 I've gotten. But out here, Des Moines River, about 9:30 at night. Fish number. Well, I've lost 2, but got 4. Your line's still in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is number 4 I've landed. Lost 2. Damn it. hook again. Caught right in that fleshy skin. Hard to get to. Down the bottom. Oh, come on, that barb. There it goes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Settle down. But I don't know. Pounder?
No, that 2.5, be fair.
Nice little channel cat. But you get some decent fillets off of them, but nothing too crazy. I've lost the 2 big fish that have been on my line, so
Oh no.
caught up in my line. How in the fuck did you
Oh,
manage to fucking catch that son of a bitch?
Look at the hook size on that too.
Holy fuck. Wait. Take the hook out. We gotta show the tube. We gotta show the YouTube. That's bigger than the fish. That's the first bait stealing fucking little fish we've had. Tonight, anyways.
Look at that.
Yeah. Jesus. So that one's probably a
That one's bait.
9 or 10 pounder, I would say.
He's bait.
Yeah, it is. Throwing it back in. Fish here. Probably, I don't know, 5 pounder. Nothing too crazy. He hit pretty hard. Hopefully I don't lose him. He already jumped up out once. Phone's at 6%. Oh yeah, he's taking a little bit.
Here we go. Let's see him.
Oh, hopefully I can fucking get him in. I've only lost like 3 fucking fish tonight.
Oh yeah,
he's
he-
taking. I mean, he's not too bad. Oh yeah.
He's
decent
big
little
one.
fish. All right, we gotta get him in. We gotta land this son of a bitch.
I don't know. That's kind of sketch.
Get him up.
Nice.
There we go.
Here, let me get up
First
on this
decent one of the year.
Corngall Hillbilly
Oh yeah.
side. Corngall Valley.
I can't believe I caught this. We go from extremely small to a decent sized catfish on a small hook. 'Cause I'm not using a very big hook.
Those is biting marks.
Bite marks. Let me look at the hook compared to him.
Oh yeah, he's nice.
Nice little catfish. So we're gonna get this one released. Will's gonna get back to his pole because they're hitting tonight. But
Yeah, look at all the marks on him. It's kind of weird.
decent. I'd say, I don't know. He's probably a 4 pounder.
Yeah, 4, maybe 5.
Decent. He's biting pretty good on my. So we're gonna get him back in there, and hopefully we can get more.
Sweet.
Got another guy right here by the bank. I'll flip him up. Oh. Little channel cat. Nothing too crazy. Got it right in the eyeball. So, back at it. Probably cut it. I got 4. Fowler Habits here. Phone's at 4%. Got a good flatty hooked up. He's dragging on the bottom like a log.
It is a fish.
It is a fish. And I only got a 15-pound test line. Oh, did he go? He wrapped around something. Oh, no, he did not. No, he did not.
Probably got him out.
No. Oh, God. Oh, big fish here, folks.
Damn.
Probably one of the bigger ones that we're going to catch
Okay.
this year.
Yeah.
It's a log, so I know it's a flat.
Was not expecting this.
Hit that line. We're just gonna wear them out. What's the foam bat at, dude?
Uh,
Probably 3%.
5. We're at
Okay,
5.
we're at 5. We'll probably be able to land this guy. We're making some pretty good progress here. I'm just getting a little worn out.
Wow, this might be a pretty big one.
I don't know how good he's hooked either, so oh, I see my weight. I see my weight. He's gonna come. Oh, it's a
big
carp.
Nice, big one.
Oh, just stuck my hand in it. Wanna shoot him? It's up to you. No, I'm pretty fucking.
Landed. He's like albino.
He's a big one. Huh. He saw it. No, he didn't. It's a pretty big carp.
He almost looks albino.
Super white.
Weird.
I wonder if he's an invasive albino.
Yeah.
The invasive albino
One of
carp.
the jumpers.
Yeah, one of those. Oh, cocksucker. Fucking fingers in there. Caught him on this little tiny hook. Oh.
I don't know.
Nice.
Big ass bug just fell.
Holy shit.
He's not as big.
That's okay. Get him on up here. Oh, your worm just flew all over me.
Yeah, yes.
Dude, we're catching, I mean, pretty consistent on these little channel cats. Pound, 2 pounders. Pre-spawn on these channels. Nice, good hooks there. Alright, I'm gonna cut the video in case we get a big one.
Yeah.